TrueStatus platform gives you the ability to create goals which you can share within your organization. You may create personal goals, public goals, or team goals. Set your goals, key results, create teams, assign goals to these different teams. For example, sales team or marketing team. You can check the goal tree to see how these goals are aligned. You may also see the organization chart to see the company's reporting structure. Another great feature TrueStatus platform offers is check-ins. Check-in is a two-way conversation between the manager and the direct report about the work completed. Check-in provides the manager and the direct report an opportunity to discuss goal accomplishments for the week and understand the priorities for the coming week. It also allows the manager to provide feedback and coach their direct reports. Manager gets the facility to request check-ins weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly from their direct reports. We have integrated Zenefits, which will sync all your Zenefit employees automatically, so you have less to worry about. You may sync your Zenefits account with TrueStatus in a matter of a couple of keystrokes. We also have integrated Slack, so all your notifications are sent directly to the Slack channel of your choice. What are you waiting for?